Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a Chinese mushroom stir fry, which is popular among most of the Chinese household. In this recipe, I'm using 4 different types of mushroom, but you are free to use any mushroom that is available by following the same method. Let's take a look how to do it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. Cut the king oyster mushrooms into thin slices. Shimeiji mushroom. Remove the stem. Button mushrooms. Cut into slices. Portobello. Cut it into slices or you can quarter it. Cut the carrots into thin slices too. And celery. Use a vegetable peeler to peel off the surface which is tough. Then cut it into small pieces. Use the knife, bash and flatten a few cloves of garlic. Cut a few slices of ginger. Now let's prepare the sauce for stir frying. 1½ tablespoons of mushroom extract, also known as vegetarian oyster sauce. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. And 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and that's the sauce for stir frying. Mix a teaspoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of water to form a cornstarch slurry. After we have prepared all the ingredients, now it's time to stir fry. Saute the ginger and garlic over low heat until aromatic. Next, add the king oyster mushroom, which take longer to cook, which is tougher than the button and portobello. Followed by the Shimeiji mushroom. After 2 minutes, the king oyster mushroom and the Shimeiji mushrooms have turned soft. Now we add the button mushroom and the portobello mushrooms, which are softer. You may add a little bit of water if necessary. Now we saute the carrots with a little bit of oil. Add a little bit of water and cook the carrot until the carrot turns soft. Return the mushrooms to the wok. Add the pre-constituted stir-fry sauce. Mix it up. Let the mushrooms absorb all the flavor of the sauce. Add Add the celery and turn up the heat. Add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Do a taste test. We'd like to add a little bit of salt. And now it's ready to serve. Stir-fried mushroom is one of the very popular home-cooked dish among the Chinese. This is how I prepare the mushroom stir-fry Chinese style. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to follow this channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.